My dear children, today we are going to start our lesson 9, the gift of peace. The gift of peace. See, in this lesson, you are going to fully study about peace. How we can get the peace, the gift of peace. See, you all enjoy getting gifts, isn't it? And also, we like to give the gifts to others. See, the gifts can be toys, cards, letters, sweets, or your favorite food. A special gift we can give to someone we live is a promise. See, toys, cards, letters, these all are object gifts. But if you want to be faith, if you want to be honest, you have to give someone a love, a promise. See, we can say, I promise not to use bad words. I promise I will not fight with you again. See, a promise is a special gift of peace. See, other gifts will might break. See, the toys will break, the letters will tear, or you might outgrow. The gift of a promise is forever. Okay, children. Children, in this lesson, you have a story, The Crocodile's Promise. The Crocodile's Promise. In this story, you are going to see two wild animals. That is, one is water buck and another one is crocodile. These two are enemies, isn't it? Because the crocodile eat water buck. See, this water buck is nothing but a big, strong wild animal. It looks like a large deer. It lives in Africa. One day, this water bug was grazing the grass near the river, and suddenly it heard a sound, that means a crying sound. Help, help, likewise. The water bug followed the sound of the voice to the direction where he heard the sound. Somebody, please help me. Again, he heard the sound and he went near the place where the sound come from. When he reached the place, he saw a crocodile there. A tree had fallen on a big crocodile. The crocodile was very big. The tree had fallen, and by the weight of the tree, the crocodile cannot move from that place. At that time, the crocodile also saw the water bug, and it asked the water bug, "Oh, water bug, please help me. I am in pain. Just lift this tree off me." And the water bug thought a little while and he said, "If I do that, you will eat me up like this." But the crocodile said, "No, I won't eat you. I will leave you free." "Okay, I will help you," agreed the water bug. "Thank you," said the crocodile politely. "But you must promise that you will always allow me to bathe in the river. You must never attack me, even if you are hungry." Likewise, the cunning water bug asked the crocodile. The crocodile, which was in pain, replied, "I promise. I will promise you. I promising you. I won't do that." Likewise. Then the water bug pushed hard at the tree with its horns. It pushed again and again. Likewise, at last the crocodile was free. It slipped into the water happily. By that day onwards, the crocodile and the water bug lived together in peace in the same place. So the crocodile kept his promise there. That's why they lived peace. So the gift of peace comes through our promise. Okay, children, this is your story. In your lesson 9, the gift of peace, have a story, The Crocodile's Promise. The Crocodile's Promise, a tribal story from Africa. One day, a water bug was grazing close to a river. See, water bug is an animal. It was a big, strong, wild animal that looks like a large deer. It lives in Africa. Suddenly, it heard a cry, "Help! The water bug followed the sound of the voice. Somebody, please help me. When he reached the place, a tree had fallen on a big crocodile and he could not move. The crocodile saw the water bug. Oh, water bug, please help me. I am in pain. Just lift this tree off me. If I do that, you will eat me up. No, I won't. Okay, I will help you. Thank you, said the crocodile. But you must promise that you will always allow me to bathe in a river. You must never attack me even if you are hungry. I promise, said the crocodile. Then the water bug pushed hard at the tree with its horns. It pushed again and again. At last, the crocodile was free. It slipped into the water happily. The crocodile kept his promise. Since then, the water bug and the crocodile had lived together in peace. Okay, children, read the story one time. Children, your lesson 9, The Gift of Peace. First Roman letter, choose the correct answers. First one, we all enjoy getting dash. A gifts, B scold, C teased. Gifts, GIFTS, gifts. We all enjoy getting gifts. A dash is a special gift of peace. A jewelry, B bungalow, C promise. A promise, PROMISE, promise. A promise is a special gift of peace. Third one, the gift of peace is the dash gift we can give to someone. A best, worst, last, best, BEST, best. The gift of peace is the best gift we can give to someone. The gift of a promise is for dash. Sometime, long time, ever. The gift of promise is for ever. If we keep our promise and our dash, we can live peace with everyone. A rich, be honest, see brilliant. Honest. If we keep our promise and are honest, we can live peace with everyone. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one day a dash was grazing close to a river. Water buck. WATERBUCK, water buck. A tree had fallen on a big dash and he could not move. Crocodile, CROCODALE, crocodile. Third one, the crocodile saw the water buck. SAW, saw the water buck. The water buck pushed hard at the tree with its horns. HORNS, horns. The crocodile dash his promise. Kept, KEPT, kept. The crocodile kept his promise. That's all your lesson 9 notes, children. Study thoroughly. Don't waste your time. Children, the gift of peace is the best gift we can give to someone. See, the crocodile's promise was its gift to the water bug. Before the promise, the water bug was afraid of the crocodile. After the promise, the water bug helped the crocodile. So the crocodile was happy and kept his promise. The water bug could now come to the river without any fear. Keeping your promise is a gift of peace you can give someone. If we keep our promises and are honest, we can live in peace with everyone, even with those who may not always have been our friends. Okay, keep in mind, children.